Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back everyone. I'm Tashween here with a beautiful and a happy morning. Okay kids, I hope you enjoyed your holidays. A new week has been started and today is Monday. I'm here for your English lecture, and as we know, we have completed our unit number 1 from your student book. Today we are going to start unit number 2. Okay, but before starting our unit number 2, we are going to have a circle time. So are you ready? Get ready for your circle time. Welcome to your circle time. In your circle time, we are going to talk about days. Okay, we are going to talk about days, that how many days in a week and their names. Okay kids, so you have to be attentive and listen very carefully. I'm going to tell you that there are 7 days in a week. Okay, you have to count with me. Okay, show me your 5 like this. 1 2 3 4 5, and then these 2 6 7. Okay, how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. How many days in a week? 7 days in a week. Okay, repeat with me. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, so we are going to learn their names as well. Okay, first listen and then you have to repeat. Okay, listen. We are going to start from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, again I'm going to repeat. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week, and 7 days and their names are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay kids, now you are going to repeat after me. Okay, Sunday, I'm going to start from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, again I'm going to say their names. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to sing a song, 7 days in a week. Okay.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week.
Okay, my little kids, it's unit number 2, and the topic of this unit is what's this. Okay, You can see so many objects are there in this page, and these characters as well. So first of all, we are going to recall their names. Okay, do you remember their names? I told you in the beginning of this book. I told you their names. And she's a girl, he's a boy, and she's a girl, and her name is May. And he's a boy. Who is he? He's a boy. And do you remember his name? His name is Sam. And a little girl, she is sitting there. Do you remember her name? Anna. May, Sam, Anna. May, Sam, Anna. Girl, boy. Okay. Now, if I will ask you, what's this? Can you see? What's this? It's a crayon. Okay, we are going to. What's this in his hand? Pencil. Okay, what's this over here in yellow color? It's a bag. Okay, what's this in Anna's hand? It's a book. Very good. Okay, can you tell me what's this? It's a block. Okay, what's this over here? It's a table. And what's this on the table? What is this? It's a lamp. Okay, what's this over here? This one. It's a sofa. Okay, and now what's this? It's a bird. And what's this? It's a book. Okay.
One 25. Listen and point.
Book. Bag.
Pencil.
Crayon.
1 26. Listen and repeat.
Book. Bag. Pencil. Crayon.
Okay kids, it's a lesson number 2 from unit number 2, and what you have to do, you have to listen and repeat, listen and stick. Okay, you can see the objects over here. We can find out the sticker and we are going to stick it over here. Okay, the first object is it's a book. Okay, I'm just going to take the stickers from over here. This one, unit number 2, stickers are given. All the stickers are given over here. Yeah, okay, and now we are going to paste it, stick it on the same image. Okay, the next one, it's a, what's this? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Okay, I'm going to take again this one, pencil sticker over here, and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, the next one, the third one, it's a, okay, what's this? It's a crayon. I'm just going to stick it on the same place, okay, same object picture. Okay, the next one is, what's this? It's a bag. It's a bag. Just we are going to find out the bag sticker over here. It's a, what's this? It's a bag. I'm just going to repeat again. Book, pencil, crayon, bag. Okay, book, pencil, crayon, bag. Okay, what's this? It's a book. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a crayon. What's this? It's a bag. Okay, now kids, if I will ask you what's this, so you must have to give me answer like this. It's a crayon in a complete sentence. Okay, not a single word. Okay, try to reply in a complete sentence like it's a crayon. It's a crayon. Okay, so you have to repeat these sentence structure with your mama as well. Okay, okay kids, we have started our lesson number 2 from unit number 2, and I want to play a small game with you. Like, I will do the actions in front of you and you will just try to guess the name of that object. Okay, so we are going to start from the first object. What's this? What's this? It's a book. It's a book. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to do this second object action related to the second object. You just guess which one is that. What's this? What's this in my hand? Can you guess what's this? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Very good. Okay, the third object is, what's this? You do the coloring with that. We use these things so many times. What's this? It's a crayon. It's a crayon. Okay, the fourth one. What's this? It's a bag. It's a bag. That's good. Okay kids, it's a unit number 2 from and lesson number 1 and 2 from your activity book. This is your activity book, page number 17, and we are going to do, it's related to unit number 2. What's this? We have already done this one, and you are now much familiar with these objects. You can see these objects. The first one is, if I will ask you what's this, It's a book. Okay, it's a book. The second one, what's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a crayon. What's this? It's a bag. It's a bag. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to color these objects. Okay, the first one is it's a cat over here. On the book I just taken the brown color and I am going to it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Have a happy week ahead. Take care. Allah Hafiz.